Allah is with me, so I can't be hopeless. Allah can change everything. Allah can change the most hopeless situation into the best moment in your life. In the end, it's just you and Allah. If I change, it's for Allah. Ya Allah, change me until you love me. Oh Allah, forgive my past and change my future. Every time I look back, I can realize how much Allah loves me. Your value is not in your appearance, your soul matters. Pray secretly for those you love, for love is a prayer. Pray for everything you want. Dua is very powerful. A hand lifted to Allah is never let down. Behind every delay there is care. In a cool water, Fajr warms up the soul. Astaghfirullah, and reciting this opens the closed door. Allah, trust Him, His plans never fail. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, always and forever.